Good morning. Today is Friday, the last trading day of this week, July 14, 2023. This week is special because we have a CPI release on Wednesday. And yesterday we have a good setup for so-called second day layer. I just want to point out real quick that yesterday when we are trying to find a setup, we use this candle 928 at a bullish breaker for our setup right here, bullish breaker, fairly gap retest. However, it not go the way it is. You know why? Because this candle is not important. The important is this bullish candle right here. This is the bullish breaker, and the fellow gap right there. So you see it retests a lot of, it retests at this, but it's go back up right away. The same. It's close to the level of the open 930. You see right there. Retest. Look at the swing chart that we check right here. It's the first when we identify the setup bullish, breaker and fairly gap. Yep. However, when we look back, we see that this bullish breaker is not reliable. Yep. Let's look at, we take a note real quick. Yeah, hold on, let me need to get this number. Alright, so we just started. Alright, I want to point out something real quick. Right here, we take the note. Okay. Remember, secondary player, we are looking for two things, right? Continue the trend or retracement to reversal. So yesterday it continued uptrend, and you see that we have a note right here. Now let's take a look at this. So you see what note right, this is the bullish breaker. This 830 more reliable. Keep retest. You see it's more reliable on the one on 928. So that's what I want to point out real quick right there. Alright, let's go back to the charts now. See how it's. So we identify this another bullish breaker from 15-minute time frame. Okay, let's see. We identify, but we see that it go through that, so that means go to that bullish breaker. Okay, let's go to our 15-minute time frame. Yeah, it go through, but it never close. Okay, look at the 15 minutes time frame. You see this bullish breaker. If we test them, let's see. Really try to check the sell side liquidity before going up. Okay, let's see. Wow, keep going up right there. Let's look at 5 minutes. We see anything? Yeah, so this level is a key level that we identified for now, so we just watch to see how the price reacts to this level. Here's the 5 minute time frame, how it look like. So if we are remain bullish, then we wanted to break through this bullish breaker with a fair value gap and retest them and keep going up, right? Okay, let's look at 4 hour. Wow, in 4 hour you see it's crazy. It keep going up. See right there, buy side liquidity taken. So we are just 4 minutes and we start see selling right there. So let's see. Oh, maybe the 1 minute tells you the story there. So you want to go down, and in order to go down, it's set up right there. Yeah, but we really don't see where our London is from 2.5, right? It's also the DR model right here is called overnight. Yeah, overnight level. So you see that it did not take out a lot of this. It continued the uptrend. It seemed like yesterday. So let's see. But this one is really a deep pullback into here. Wow. If this is an auto block, it needs to go up. You make another new high right here. Let's look at the smart money version. Yeah, we don't see any diversion right now between the QQQ and the SPY. See, you make high, Yep, this guy the same, make a high. But this guy really do a long wick to take the buy side sell liquidity. This guy don't do that. Alright, we continue to monitor and see what's going on. I mean, up on this level we have, if you look at the weekly, you say you have a resistance level is about 452.06. Yeah, you look at the weekly, you see that's the level for the weekly and it's for monthly. To see it go up there. Yep. Because we want to see how it's gonna go up there. You see this, the close of this so-called order block, or you can call it bearish breaker, and this level is a bullish breaker. So if filling in this implied failure gap right there. Yep, let's see. Wow, you see, go up by right away, go down, go up right away. So what are you gonna see? It is an order block. Wow. So it's Friday today, gotta be the continue the trend, go up. This is a London section. So we are into exactly 10 minutes of trading. Let's walk slowly to see any sign of retracement. Right, we don't see any retracement. Do we see any failure gap here? Let's turn on some failure gap right here. We need to turn it on. Right now we turn it off. We need the failure gap. So far we don't see any failure gap on 1 minute time frame, but we do see the failure gap. Let me see, do we turn it on? Any failure gap? Not really. Oh, right here, maybe. Yeah, right here we see failure gap right here. Yeah, I think we'd only do for 2 hours, 10 and 11 hours right here. Active and active. Where are active? Yeah, favorite up start from 10. Can we do from 9? Yeah, that's the, and we increase to 9 instead of 10. Yep, we see a bunch of favorite up. 1 minute is a lot favorite up. Favorite up right there. Here. So the green one is the bullish paragraph, up and down right there. Actually, we don't have to change the code. We are right here. From 9 to 11. So let's go back there and fix them. Just 10. We got a silver bullet setup from ICT is that we look at paragraph from 10 to 11. Wow, you see the huge right here. So right here we can put 900 here. Huh. Why? Hey, okay. Hit apply. So we see the paragraph right here and paragraph right here. Here paragraph right here. Right. Yeah, you can treat this as a retouch right here. Or a block paragraph retouch, you can enter right here. Yeah, short right here. Right. Or short. Where you are. Or a block. Paragraph retouch. Short setup and entry. The entry time is not we want around 10 after an hour or before an hour. So it's be 10, 50, around 50. And after that will be better. Then what are our target? Target is cell side liquidity. No, actually we see the target is the high time frame. Bullish breaker. That's M5, right? M15. That's our target right here. Wow. Got stop out. We'll go here. What our? I mean, at least our stop loss had to be here, man. Wow, yeah, the best for me retest here. Wow. So put our order right here and I'll stop right there. So the best entry is 949. Yeah, wait for 945 or 50 right there. That's much better. Yes, 50. Wait for 50. See, check it out. Wow, I want to check this way again. The same idea, but we're gonna take the entry. Right, better entry, right? At 950. See if we are get a better entry. Wow, we gotta stop out. Wow. Ooh. What the high of this one? 50.99. Wow. Oh. Wow, we're gonna stop out again. Well, we can see the setup right here, auto block right here, 930, and the fair value gap right there, and the retest right here. So another byte liquidity was taken. And this setup we don't know where it's going to, so we have to trail the stop. If we want to go right, let's take a screenshot of this one. Yeah, you can say order block, fair value gap, retest, yeah, long setup, entry time, we entry at 09:45, targets, we don't know, just trailing. Stop loss. That's it. Look at 5-minute time frame, you can see this very bullish. You see this a bullish breaker, right? The fair value gap implied volatility, implied fair value gap right here, and it come back retest. That's our implied fair value gap, and here's our bullish breaker right here. So it retests this, go up. Yep. Wow. So let's take a screenshot of this one. Oh, what the anti-time one. $8.50, $9.45. So we want to mark the time 8:50. So 8:30 or 8:50 is a good reliable order block. Order block, fair value gap. In this case, not clearly a fair value gap, but it's a implied fair value gap. Retest, a long setup. All block at 8:50. So auto block we learn from a screen at 850 or 830 will be very reliable auto block. Then anti-time 9:45. Target we have to trail the stop. Trailing stop block. That's it. You know, we will have a in the money trade only. The worst scenario is we have break even trade. So it's a breaker, right? Hold on, I think I do something. It's not right. Yeah, this is not auto block. This is a breaker, not auto block. So that fixes again. Yeah, let's redo this screenshot. It's not auto block, but it's a breaker block. Breaker. Fair value. In this case, a bullish breaker. All right. Yeah, we just try to stop. Let's see how it's play out for us. Wow. Look at that. If we take out. Oh man. Wow. It's crazy. Oh man, I love. Oh man. 10. Get ready, baby, to short it. Short now, you see? The fair value up right here. And the retest right here. Ooh, short now, baby. Short now, my friend. Wow. Look at that 10 o'clock. Entry. At 03. When you see the setup like this, just show me. No hesitation at all. Right? What you gonna call this setup? Gonna be auto block, fair value up. Right? Where the auto block right here? This auto block right here. Fair value up. Retest. A short setup. What do we have? We have a buy side liquidity rate keep going up, so it keep rating the buy side liquidity, and now it's run down the liquidity, so it start going down now. The entry time. Wow. Wow. What entry time? 10:03. Target. We have a target, which is the bullish breaker on M15 right there. And right here, here's our auto block, and our target is this level. It will go into this level again. Trust me. Yep. And if we enter, then our stop block gonna be here. Let's see, enter right here. Yeah, let's give our stop block right here. Right, enter right here. So wow, it's about $1. About 90 cents. Actually, 87 cents, 1%. That's a big stop out right there. Holy. Wow, all the fair value gap gives you a hard time. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, let's turn off the fair value gap right now. It's too much right now. Big displacement on the fair value gap right there, so I think it's gonna come down very. And that turn on the fair value gap now, but only 10 from 10 to 11. That's where the silver bullets coming. You see a fair value gap there and short them. Yes, you only, wow, that's the bullet set up right there. Silver bullet set up by CT from 10 to 11. You see any, if you see the buy side liquidity taken in this case and you see fair value gap, then go in and short them. And that's the silver bullets right there. Yeah. Wow. 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 Man, crazy. Too many people short right here. That's the reason why it want to go up again. Because too much liquidity right there. So we're gonna go on rapid. Wow. That means lots of people shorting right now. That's why you go there and get the liquidity. Yeah, lots of people go to short. Alright, sell side, not a sell side liquidity taken right there. So we're gonna stop out at it. We take a trade, we're gonna get stop out right there because the liquidity rate right there. But now we see the fair value gap right here. And we are 41 minutes into trading days. Oh, the reason why it go up because of the customer something right here. You hear the new sentiment, customer sentiment right here. Yeah, customer sentiment at 9 o'clock. No wonder it jerked it right here. 9 o'clock. Michigan, since July. It's young. And they say yesterday market closed on the buy side liquidity. That means there are a lot of buy side liquidity. 1.3 billion. That means a lot of people gonna sell because they buy low and they're gonna sell high right there. They're gonna sell up there. So they put the stop loss or order to sell so they can take profit. Right? No, they're short, and then I'm gonna buy back. They're like short, I guess. So according to the R model, at 10:30, we will know the high of the day and the low of the day with 87% probability. Let's take a look here. So we see that QQ not even going down retest this bullish breaker, but for the SPY it retest twice. But so far we don't see any diversion at all. So there's no retracement, no reversal in play right now. So we continue the trend to go up. So we would check the short right here, remember? Order block, I mean. Order block. Take the short position on order block, follow up, retest. Here, retest right here. We got lost. We gotta stop out. Well, so far we see a further gap show up here in this time frame for a super bullish ATC setup, further gap, right? And man, that's amazing. You just check out the sell side liquidity right there. Man, I think the equal. What the low of this one? 50.80. Wow. And what's the low of this one? Exactly. Oh man, equal low right there. Wow, that is very bullish, my friend. It's gonna go huge. Here, our setup is right, and the entry is, however, it was not reliable. Right, let's go with the entry right here. A 10. Wow. So we have to see the whole thing right here is a bullish breaker. Yep. Yeah, it did break through and then retest this one. That's our support level on the 15-minute time frame right there. Exactly. And the time is right. This time is entry is not good. You have to go this entry. But how we see the logic, stop lot right here. Yep, we can put the stop lock right here. We can see this auto block favor gap right here. All we can see is a bullet breaker and favor gap retest. Yeah, this is much better. 730. It's much better setup than the other one. Yeah, you see the favor gap right here. Yeah, we need to lock in our trade right here. Right, is our Let's see, we should know, is another short setup for us right here. So let's see if it can go up this time. Okay, go in short now. Short now. Why we short now? And the stop loss right there. It will be auto block. Right. Fair value gap. Retest. Long setup. Make short setup. And the time 10:24 and targets. I mean, we have the reason to short them, right? Why? Because the buy side look really great, right? And the targets will be I think buy side look really, no, sell side look really auto block at 10, which is this level right here. That's our right here. This level. We enter right here, okay? Our stop loss gonna be at that level. Huh? We have everything. Yep, man. We got this time. This time we got stop out. This time we got right here. You see this huge rejection with a long wick right there to give us some idea right there. So we got it this time. It's a patient always pay off. You know, we wait for the second time. It's perfect short setup right here first. And our stop loss, you know, very close to that. Beautiful, I believe. Finally, we got it. So next time, if we want to short them, right here we fell the first time, right? See right there. Then try to re-enter them on the second time. Or if possible, just keep the first one. Be patient, then you have a perfect setup there. Because this one give you a long wick right there, and it make what? Oh, it make the new high. Wow, this one is not make a new high. This one is equal high. So that's why it's not reliable. Right? What the high of this one? Oh, 9. Yeah, it's equal high, so it's not a good order block. The good order block have to take out the buy side liquidity, right? This block not take out of it. That's why not reliable. Oh, that's good lesson learned for us. So let's take note of this. And this order block is 15. Wow, you see beautiful right there. Our target is reach, the buy side liquidity from this gun. Oh, beautiful, my friend. It's a beautiful tree. We got it this time. I mean, we can go lower, but our intermediate target is right here. It reached it at 10:30. 33. Wow, man. Beautiful. You see, we lock right here, we go in right here, and we see the target gonna be this one. The Cesar River on the walk 10, exactly at 10:33. Hit that. See that? It hit the second time. Beautiful trade. So that means how long we stay in a trade? 33. Oh man, only 9 minutes. Yeah, 9 minutes. Only 9 minutes. And what? Well, let's say we empty at 41.51, and right here, wow, we have $1 move right there. Perfect. Let's say we empty at this right at this level. Yeah, around 80 cents, 90 cents, $1 more. Wow, it go down more. We will get our $1 more. Wow, wow. Let's see. We want to see is our $1 more got yet. Our targets $1. Yeah, $1. $10.36. So $1 move hit at 1.36 right there. Okay, make this. No. Oh my. Okay. Yep. Wow, it's more than $1 more, my friend. You can travel and get more money. But anyway, 36. Yeah, let's take swing circle. We can say right here, targets, just have a query from order block at 10, right? Hit at 10:33, and then $1 move targets hit at 10:36. That is our target right there. Beautiful. We got it. Alright, I think that's good for now for our first trading hour for today, and talk to you later in this evening. Thank you. Bye for now.